low. In this video, I will show you how to set time on expert option. So in order to set the time on expert option, we can see in here interface. You can choose in here the investment that you want to partake, and into this investment, we have in here the deal duration. We can increase it in increment of 30 seconds. The lowest is 30, while the highest is 1 minute. Or you can also increase it according to your liking. So for this one, I'll just choose 30 seconds and choosing here between selling and buying. So I have chosen one, I chosen selling, and you can see in here this case. So when you sell, your goal is to be below this threshold. So if you buy, your goal is to be above the threshold. So it actually depends on to your actual technique for this case. And let's hope that when this line ends, that we're below here. So in that case, we will actually earn money once that way. As you can see, we're below, and yes, we actually earn something through that.